Good morning student, 8th standard. Our topic it is going on parallel lines. In that parallel lines subtopic it is our to draw a line parallel to the given line. There are two methods. By using set square also you can draw, and by a compass. First I will tell how to draw by a set square. One given line you have to draw by a pencil. With a pencil I have to draw a see, suppose I drawn a line AB or L, small l also you can denote. With this L I have to draw a parallel lines. For that parallel lines, any point I will take outside the line. Suppose I taken a point P here, and from this P point I have to draw a line which is parallel to line L. We know the line L, any two parallel lines, their distance it is always same. So set square we are studied. In this set square if we are observe one angle, it is right angle, so both the set square are right angle triangle. Now with this one exactly with 90 degree this right angle line, this one straight way. Afterwards I have to draw a straight line, so another set square I will just hold it till the point P, and that from point P I have to draw a line which is a straight as like this way. So this line I drawn which is a parallel to line L. This one from this side also I have to extend, and so by the using set square you can draw a parallel lines. But suppose set square not there, how we can do by a compass? This parallel lines by compass how we will draw? See, now same way first I will draw a line. Suppose mine A, and from this I am going to draw a line L, and suppose here I am taking point A and B, and mine point P is here outside. Then I have to draw a parallel lines. So from a P point I have to draw a arc on the line. So where it will intersect, two arc I will draw. See, from point P I drawn these two arc. After this same distance I am taking, I am not extended because this point, if point is nearer you can extend the distance. Now here from this arc of intersection I got one more arc front I will draw, and from here intersecting arc I will draw. So I am getting this point of intersection, and this point if you are joining it is exactly perpendicular. Okay, now same way mine point is P is here, so I have to draw a perpendicular on it. So when the point is on the line, how to draw perpendicular? This is we drawn when the point it is outside the line. From that point you have to draw two arc. See, in a 7th standard we are studied our first lesson construction altitudes we drawn. Altitudes means from the vertex we drawn on the arc on the side. Same way you have to do here. Now on the this one point means aside I have to draw a arc. One more suitable distance, little distance you have to take small one, and that much means this much I taken this distance, and I drawn a side arc. Now I am going to extending this distance, and from this arc of intersection this side and same distance intersecting arc I had to draw. Now I got a point of intersection here. This point and this point here to draw. You just observe that this line it is parallel to, you can label it as a M line is parallel to L. This we are drawn by using a compass. This construction we drawn by using a set square. Now we are studied this. Sometimes they are given a distance also. Means these two type of construction are there. They said here, our practice set, if you are observing, draw a line, take a point A outside the line, through point A, draw a line parallel to L. Then this one you can draw both the way. By set square also you draw, and by using compass. But second question also it is outside through the point draw. Okay, this one same are there. But third question you just see, draw a line M, draw a line N which is a parallel to line M at a distance 4 centimeter from it. Now how we will do? This 4 centimeter distance you have to do. Means just look. First I will draw a line. See, I drawn a line L and I want a 4 centimeter. Means the gap between two parallel lines should be 4 centimeter. So I taken 2 points A and B. Then afterward what you have to do? On A and B you have to draw a perpendicular. See, by compass using only I am drawing a perpendicular. Point is aside. Suitable distance I am taken in a compass, and aside I drawn a arc. This side also the point left and right hand side. Now you have to extend the distance, and from a point of intersection arc you got, above it you draw a arc. Similarly from this arc of intersection one more arc I had to draw, and here point of intersection where there put that point and A you have to just join it. This is your perpendicular. Okay, you make a sign. Similarly B also you do the same way. Suitable distance I taken in a compass. There point left hand side and right hand side I drawn a arc. Then I extended the distance from point of intersection. There upside I drawn a arc of intersection. This point and this one I just joined it. Once again I got it is perpendicular. Now I want a distance here to pass. So what I will do, from here this perpendicular are there 4 centimeter from your scale I will take it. Okay, 4 centimeter from 12 to 8 it is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter distance I taken. From a point 4 centimeter I will mark here. Similarly from a B point also 4 centimeter I will mark here, and from this we have to join it. These 2 points you have to join it, and when this the line it is passing through it, it is parallel to the line L. Understood? This is parallel to the line L. See, mine pencil thickness it is a more. This is parallel to, because the distance between them it is a 4 centimeter, and this also 4 centimeter. So third question you have to do like that. Take a 4 centimeter. Here also they are explained. This one you can do by a set square also. If we are drawn a line, suppose we have to take a line and set square, how we have to do it? Set square I said 4 centimeter I want, so all are the 90 degree it is there set squares our. Wait, okay, set squares. This is our, in a set square also marking is there 4 centimeter. So I will put, suppose one point I will take, and I will from that point A, here exactly from here one I am going to start mine. Then from this point till a 4 means till here 4. Then from that I just pass a line. If you are passing it, and that point if you are passing it which is parallel, and this one you distance just tell it is a 90 and 4 centimeter. This is our by using a set square. Then 2 point you can take, from there also you draw and join it. Okay, then this construction part do. Today we will stop here. Complete the exercise. 3 only sums are there that you have to complete it. Okay, and this one fifth fourth sum, are you did or not? That I did not got it. Only these two children are saying practice at 2.2. This one, are you completed or not? All these you have to just, I said you just complete it, tried it. Okay, today we will stop it.